Order and activate your test online. Log in to your myGDX account. Choose Activate and order tests. Ensure the correct business address appears and provider is selected. Check the I agree button below the practitioner account choice. Select Register Online. Enter the requisition number. Select the test name. This will include the CPT codes for this test. Choose from billing options. Select a diagnosis code or search for a code. Select if the sample has been collected. Enter the patient's name and date of birth. Fill out the optional insurance step or choose Skip. The final page is a success message. Here you will want to provide your patient's email address to allow online patient accounts set up. That's it, you're done.